15 side raises.
Same time?
Yeah, go sit up nice and tall. Yeah, same time. 15.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous Repetition Diner.
6, good. 7.
Your meals will be prepared by the Beast Mode chef.
1, good.
He is
3, good. 4. All right, give me 15 front.
the Superset King!
Raise the whole arm, don't swing it. You know, raise your arm out. Raise your arm out. 3. Closer together on your arms. Raise him up there. Don't swing it up. Raise him up. Good. 4, good. Higher. 5, try to get to your eye. 6, good. 7, better. 8, good. 9, 10, good. 1, good. 2, 3, good. 4. I'm gonna sit up nice and tall. All right, bring him back up front. All right, bring him front to the back. 15 more. Right
Hold
there.
him out.
Yes. All right, 15. 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, come on.
Who's hungry?
Come on. 6, come on. 7,
Let's eat.
Come on. 8, come on. 9.
Who's
come on.
hungry?
10, come on. Come on. 5, come on.
Let's eat.
4, come on, left arm. 3, come on.
Who's
2,
hungry?
Come on. 1. Bring them both up top right now. Up. Up.
Bring him straight up.
Yeah, you know what?
Oh, gosh, man.
Right there, together. 1, come on, right here. 2, 3, good. 4, come on. 5, come on, breathe. 6, come on, left arm. Come on, again. 7, come on, take 5.
Damn it.
4, 1,001. 1,002. 1,003. All right, 1,004 going to number 8. Start up top. There you go. Come on, 8, good. 9, there you go. 10, come on. 1, good. 2, come on. 3, come on. 4, come on. And 5, set.
It's crazy how that little break make that big
I
difference.
know. Remember the ATP. Your body's gonna learn how to recover a lot faster. You're gonna be a beast in no time. All right, my brother. I need one more of those, then we done. Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. Try to go straight through all of them. One and done.
Lateral front.
Your side, your front to rear, top, bottom. All right, 15 round the board, you done for the day. You got 15 seconds. Come on, in about 5 pounds, my brother. Eat. Eat. 9 seconds. Eat.
Who's hungry?
All right, let's bust it. And 1, 2,
Let's
come
eat.
on. 3, 4, we going this time.
Who's
5,
hungry?
6, good. 7, come on.
Let's
8,
eat.
Good. 9, come on. 10,
Who's
1,
hungry?
Come on. 2, come on. 3, come on.
Let's
4,
eat.
5, let's go. Front. 2,
Who's hungry?
3,
Superset
4,
King!
5, good. 1, 2, good. 3, yep. 4, 10, come on. 1, 2, yeah, she burning. 3.
Let's move that weight.
4, all right, head up, chest up, front to back. 1,
Let's go.
2,
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, 4.
They hungry, chef.
5.
Woo-wee. Let's get them. They call you the Superset King!
Try to keep your head up so you can open your chest and open them up. All right, let's keep the last 10. 10, there you go. 9, good. 8, 7, perfect. 6, good. 5, 4, good. 3, come on. 2, come on, straight up top. We go. Up. Oh, that was a 1. That was a 2. That was a 3.
Oh, goodness gracious.
That was a 4. All right, we up top. And 1, good. And 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, come on. 1, good. 2, come on. 3, come on. 4, come on. 10, come on. 1, come on. 2, come on. 3, come on. 4, come on. Done. Good set.
Goodness gracious.
Savage mode. Way to work.
Man.
All right. So right now we are, what's today? Wednesday? We got, I won't see you till Monday. Ooh, Lord. We have to figure